Hi there, this is Uri Pratap from Taste of Fiji. Welcome to my show. A couple of weeks back, I came to my buddy Ash's house and he presented me with some beautiful dishes. I tried it and it was just mouth-watering and excellent. I just loved it. So I suggested to him, why not cook on my show? And he agreed, and here we are. Hey Ash, how you doing?
Doing good.
So what are we cooking here today?
We're cooking some oxtail.
So he's cooking me some oxtail. Where about are you from?
I'm from Jamaica, Bucharest.
Jamaica, right? So is this a very common dish in Jamaica?
Yeah, popular.
Nice.
Yeah,
So we're gonna try some of the oxtail from Jamaica.
yeah, we're gonna do
All right, man. Yeah, man. All right, Ash. So what are we doing here now?
Well, we're gonna wash the oxtail already. So you wash it 2 to 3 times. Then now we're gonna add the season to it. This is some oxtail season.
Okay, so we have some oxtail over there. How many pounds is it?
About 4 pounds.
And what did you just put in?
I'm putting some oxtail season.
Okay, so you have an
Spice.
oxtail seasoning actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. All right.
Then we're gonna put in some Maggi,
Maggi.
all-purpose,
Okay. Maggi all-purpose spice.
some spice. Then we're gonna use some garlic powder. It's about a half teaspoon.
Garlic is always good, my friend.
Yeah. Then we have a little onion powder.
Onion powder.
Yeah. Half teaspoon.
Okay.
Then we're gonna use some browning.
All right.
Marinate it.
So some kind of sauce.
Yeah, about a teaspoon.
Okay.
Then we have a little salt.
Salt.
Yeah.
So I guess salt to taste.
Yeah, salt to taste. But
Right.
I'm using the food salt.
Okay.
Just a little. Then we're gonna rub it in.
You rub it in.
Yeah.
It's more like massaging it. That's a pretty vigorous massage there, my friend.
Yeah. Okay, next step now we're gonna preheat the pot. When the pot get hot, we put a tablespoon of
Tablespoon of oil.
oil. Just to keep the pot
Moist.
moisture. Yeah. And then we're gonna turn in now the oxtail in it. Turn a little. Make sure everything's set. Then we're gonna cover. Then we're gonna keep it on medium.
So you put the heat at medium.
At medium. So it's gonna cook for about 45 to an hour.
So 45 to an hour.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's check this now. Looking good.
How long has it been cooking? About
It's been
30
cooking
minutes, you
about
would say?
30 minutes, yeah. So now I'm gonna add some hot water to it. Then I'm gonna turn it up. Alright, looking good so far. Gonna put back on the lid now. Okay. Now I'm gonna add a little diced carrot. Some diced Irish
That's potatoes, right?
potato, yeah.
Irish potatoes.
Yeah. Now give it a little turn. Feel like it's cooking sometimes. It takes a little time to cook. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's soft. So this gonna take a little bit more time. Sometimes you have to add some more water on it. So it maybe take an hour, hour and a half, or even more time. So add a little water. See how it goes.
So what you're saying is depends upon the meat, if it's hard, tough or soft.
Half sour, yeah.
And as you cook, you may add water to soften the meat.
Yeah,
All right.
okay. Now I'm putting in, it's cooking for about 1.5 now.
1.5 hours.
Yeah, 1.5 hours. So now I'm putting in some green onion, some thyme, some onion, now I'm gonna spin it. Yeah. Cover it up now. Let it go and simmer down. Now I have some green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper. And now I have some broad bean, butter bean. Now I'm going to stir it. Make it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then
All right. So it's now done. Is this how you eat it, Ash?
yeah, this
Right.
is how it's done.
Let me
Okay,
try
let's
it.
try it.
Right. Here you go, guys. I'm gonna use my hand, okay? Oh my god.
Well done.
Oh my god. It's kind of like, ah! You know that sound? You know when man
Yeah.
make that sound,
Yeah,
man?
yeah.
It's like, seriously, this is bloody good, man.
Yeah, man.
Good job. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Like my channel, share it and subscribe it. Cheers. Yeah, man.
Up.